The Arctic Air personal coolers are essentially an evaporative cooler that's made to work on your desk, and it runs off of USB power. They're really useful, they're very powerful, and they're very quiet. They have a filter. Each one of the different models has a filter, and the filter has a wicking material that absorbs the water. Then the air goes through it, and it uses the evaporative process to cool the air, essentially, to remove heat from the air. Well, these pads can get soiled and old over time, so they recommend using them or changing them out every 3 to 5 months. So you can get these replacement filters. Now, it's also a handy idea if you live in the heat like we do here in Arizona, to put one of these extras in the water and then into the freezer, so that you've got a frozen filter element to swap out on those hot days. So not only are they good to replace after some amount of time, but also it's good to have a couple in your rotation so you can keep some in the freezer all the time. And if you're like little dude here, really appreciates having a personal heater or a personal cooler during those hot days of summer. Hope this helps.